Hi there. In this video we are going to be taking a look at this set of 6 storage boxes from IKEA. And if you are wondering, they are out of the packaging because my wife was extremely curious to take a look at them. Okay, so for easier shipping, obviously, as you can see, they have zippers on the bottom of them, and they are obviously open during shipping. If I could actually get one open now. If you look at the zippers, they baby in the background. If you look at the zippers, then they don't have the pull tab on them, so they are not meant to be used too much, obviously, just when you are assembling the boxes. And yes, one thing I want to point from the start, I hate when I see loose strands like this. Fun and joy of having kids. Anyway, so that I don't like. Doesn't say that much about the quality, but it says a lot about the quality control and what they allow to go out of the door and whatnot. So for shipping, as you can see, they are already starting to fold as they were in the packaging. Let's get that to the max. And they were like this, all of them. So when you get them, you do exactly what my wife did, because she wanted to see how they look. You start zipping this thing. So let me do that now, because I cannot really do it with one hand. Overall, there are 3 sizes, as you can see, and I will overlay the dimensions on top of them right about now. Okay, that's done. I don't know, the frame of them, from what I feel in here, I tried to take a peek somewhere where the material wasn't sewn all the way to the edge or something like that, but I wasn't able to do it. But what it feels like in the hand is just a plastic, a plastic with something like that. So a zigzag somehow to give it a bit of structure between 2 layers of this kind of sheet. And if you are looking why does it have these 2 bands, that's just to make it more pleasing to look at. Nothing. It doesn't help at all. In theory, you can organize your, I don't know, socks or gloves or who knows what other things in your cabinets or wardrobe or drawers or wherever you want. I will let the wife use them and get back to you whether she likes them or not, but from what I see for their purpose, I think they are quite okay. This is stiff enough that it will not buckle. Yes, it will bend, so if you overfill it, it will obviously bend. It's not an extremely stiff material, but it will not buckle down, so stuff will not fall out of it. It will just bend a bit outwards in the middles. Yeah, I don't think we have any info in here, just that the product number, and that's about it. So wife will use them and I'll get back to you. Just want to point out that over the months, actually years I think already, Jesus, time flies, my wife liked these things so much, and I also did, honestly, that we bought a second set. So yep, they are pretty cool. And my wife actually let me use some of them for various things, and they ended up being filled with things that are not actually mine. But yeah, so there's that. We really do like them. They are really nice for keeping stuff in them. I'm seeing something now that I don't see with my eyes. Maybe some spots of something weird. With my eyes I cannot see them, and also you cannot from this direction, but if we change, so yeah, be warned about that. It seems they can get various grease, I'm thinking spots or something like that. Maybe I put something and I had some oil on my fingers from working on who knows what. Anyway, there's that. But yeah, apart from that, we really do like them. They come in handy for keeping stuff out of the way and organized. And yeah, that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.